Good evening and welcome to the session number 52 from the playlist of IIT-JEE and NEET Physics. The topic is the current sensitivity in a galvanometer. So based on this topic, I have selected one question for this session which was asked in IIT-JEE and NEET exam in the year 2022. So here the question is, the current sensitivity of a galvanometer can be increased by. We have four options here. The first is by decreasing the number of turns in the galvanometer coil, increasing the magnetic field, decreasing the area of the coil, and decreasing the torsional constant. Now, when we pass the current through a galvanometer, the needle of the galvanometer gets deflected, which gives us the measure of the current which is flowing through the galvanometer. Now, in the equilibrium state, the deflecting torque, that is NIAB, this is equal to the restoring torque, which is equal to K into theta. Here K is the torsional constant, theta is the deflection, B is the magnetic field, A is the area of the coil, I is the current which is flowing through the galvanometer, and N in this capital N is the number of turns in the galvanometer coil. Now, current sensitivity is basically the deflection per unit of current, that is theta upon I. So theta upon I is equal to NAB upon K. So from this we can see that the current sensitivity is will increase if the number of turns is increased, if the area of the coil is increased, and if the value of the magnetic field is increased, and it will also increase if the torsional constant is reduced. So the first option is decreasing the number of turns. No, it is not possible. If we decrease the number of turns, then the current sensitivity will decrease. So this is not the correct option. Increasing the magnetic field. So if I increase the value of V, that is the magnetic field, definitely the current sensitivity will increase. So this option is correct. Decreasing the area of the coil. No. If I decrease the area of the coil, then the current sensitivity will decrease. So this is not the correct option. And the fourth is decreasing the torsional constant. So K is the torsional constant. So if I decrease this value K, then the current sensitivity will increase. So here B is correct and D is correct. So out of these four options, the last option, that is D, is correct, because in the last option B and D are given, and B and D are the correct option in this question. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be continuing with the same. Continuing the. I will be taking up the question from the chapter of moving charges and magnetism, and the topic will be different from what we have taken today. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.